Okay.
Okay, so that's the benefit of trailing stop loss. You can make more profits, right? Because
Yes.
we only have a probability based on the chart that the price may go till that time, but there is no fixed thing that it will go. It may go beyond that also. So that is why if we use trailing stop loss, we may take more profits in that trade because our mind psychology will work like that only. We don't want to lose
Yes.
money. We don't want to lose our hard earned money, right? So that's the reason uh, our psychology works better if we are using trailing stop loss.
Okay. Yes. And I have a question. Is it trailing stop loss? Do you ever use it in scalping theories or scalping strategy, or you're always mostly intraday?
Scalping you may not be able to use because the scalp trade is for a very less time, right? 1 minute, two
Yes.
minute like that. So it's very difficult to use in that. So normally scalpers don't use trailing stop loss. So because trailing stop loss is mostly for the high end trades wherein we have to wait for some days, right?
Yes.
Scalpers are mostly having the more capital, right? So they may not want to use this concept in scalping. Because they may not want to risk their capital because their capital is huge.
Okay.
So mostly intraday and positional you can use trailing stop losses.
Okay. That's fine.
Okay, this cleared gravestone.
Yeah. Gravestone is clear.
Let's try to find out one dragonfly. So dragonfly normally forms at the bottom. See here. Here you go.
Okay. Yes. I see that.
So this is again you can see that there is a kind of box area.
Yes.
Box area. So here it gave a breakout, but it could not sustain after that it came down.
Yeah. I was actually looking at this chart yesterday
Hmm.
around 6 p.m.
Hmm.
I was trying to get maybe that breakout, but I was taking a shower, so I missed it.
Hmm. Yeah. Because it didn't sustain there and it came down actually the same price, the
Yeah.
consolidation range. So this is a kind of dragonfly doji, but here you may not have to take a trade. You may have to take a trade only once this is the box, right? Once there is a breakout on box on this chart, you can have to take the trade.
Okay. But say it was like, for example, the candles were like this, and then it did this, and then now you had a dragonfly,
Hmm.
right? Without say there's no consolidation, so it all everything just came down, and you get a dragonfly, and then the next candle does like this. Then can you go for a buy?
Yes, yes, you should go for a buy definitely here because there was a downtrend and that means this is a sign of reversal. After a downtrend, if a doji or hammer is formed, that means there may be a sign of reversal. And at the time of reversal, we may need to enter here. Once it closes beyond this, we can take an entry. And once you take an entry here, your stop loss will be here, and your targets will be in this range.
Okay.
So this is the best structure you can think of, but this is the worst structure that you can think of.
Yes.
These kind of things. See, it, it was consolidating. Then we have a Dragonfly Doji also. Then there was a breakout, and then it got filled.
Yeah, there was even a hammer next to the dragonfly.
Yeah, so that's a consolidation, right? For long time, right? Started around 12 o'clock, and ended around ended around 22 hours. Almost 10 hours they have been doing a consolidation and then perfect breakout, but it got failed.
Yeah.
Okay, long leg doji, I'll show you 1 second. See, long leg doji may look like this also, but there won't be any body in that. See here. Mm, this one.
Yes.
So this will be a long candle. So if you are taking a trade on long leg doji, your stop loss will be big because this candle is big, right?
Yes.
Then your stop loss will be big. So in that case, what you can think of? You can think of considering the 50% of your stop loss.
Okay. Yeah. Long leg doji.
Yeah. Okay, clear? All four patterns
Yeah.
of.
Yeah.
See, these are the pattern. If you want to note down, you can note down.
Okay. Yeah. No problem. Uh, long leg and then common doji or doji start. Okay. Okay, sir. I've noted them.
Okay, fine. So let's move on to a different concept now. Okay. So now we will have one more pattern, which is a combination of two candles, right?
Yes.
So this is called as bullish engulfing.
Okay.
So bullish engulfing means we will have a combination of two candles, right? You can see that here we have a combination of two candles, correct?
Correct.
So in this, the first candle will look like this, small candle, and the next candle, which will be a big green candle, which will engulf the first candle, right? It will engulf the
Mhm.
full first candle like this.
Yeah.
So this is called bullish engulfing. So what happened? First, the trend was in downtrend, and then we can see this kind of candles, right? So once there
Hmm.
is a breakout on top of this, then we may need to take a entry here in this area.
Okay. Yeah. Because this candle has like covered the full body
Yeah. So
of
in
the
this,
previous candle.
the first candle has to be red, and the next candle has to be green, and the green candle should cover fully the first candle.
Even the bottom part.
Sorry.
Even the bottom part it should cover.
Ah, yes, yes, the full candle, bottom up, everything it has to cover.
Okay.
See, some traders may try to take the trade even if it is not covering in the bottom part also. But the perfect pattern should be like it should cover the complete candle, right? So see like this,
Yes.
top and bottom both it should cover, and then we have to take a trade once the price crosses this range, this high,
Okay.
then we can enter the trade, right? And then we will have a
Yes.
reversal pattern from here, right? Let's try to see in chart if we can find this candle once again. We'll show you the chart. See this one.
Oh yeah, I see that one. Bullish.
This these two.
Yeah.
This as well, right? This is the perfect one because we have a small candle and a big candle. So this is actually you may need to leave this because the body of the first candle is quite huge in this scenario, right?
Yeah.
Here this is the perfect one with a small candle here and then with a big green candle covering the full light.
Yes.
So this is called bullish engulfing.
Bullish engulfing.
Engulfing. So some people may consider this also, but this is not the good one.
Yeah, bullish engulfing. That's
Yes.
it. Okay.
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 So next we have bearish engulfing.
Bearish engulfing. Okay.
Yeah. So this type of candles will be formed at the top. So whenever there was an uptrend, and if this pattern forms at the top, that means from there the market may try to come down, right? So in this bearish, you may see this kind of candle, right? First is a green small candle, and then a big red candle covering the first candle completely.
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you on chart. See. See this, you can some traders will consider this also. See,
Which one? Oh yeah. And then price broke below that
below
that
that, and
bearish.
then you can short the positions there. You can take a short position. See here also, right? But it hit the stop loss. Yeah,
Oh, okay, yes, yeah. It failed to
I felt this.
go above.
Yes.
But that's a wait, what the next candle next to that bearish? Uh,
Which one?
it didn't really break below. Yeah, it didn't really
Yes.
break below
Yes. Yes.
that red.
Yes. Yes. It didn't break the low, so there is no entry for us. Correct.
Yeah.
It should break that low, then only we need to take a entry. Okay.
Yes.
Let's try to find some patterns which has successfully completed that. See this one.
Yes.
So here it break the low, right? And then downtrend started.
Then downtrend. Yeah.
Mm. So for scalping is good, but if you are trying to choose on a higher time frame, then the probability of accuracy is more on a higher time frame, right?
Yeah, okay.
See here. If you want to take more points, you may try to use it on a higher time frame. See like this, right? And then it gave a breakdown and then it started coming down.
Okay, yeah, I see that one.
Yeah.
But for like lower capital, is scalping a better strategy, like long term, or better to, I mean, is swing trading better or scalping?
See, it depends on you which type of trade your psychology gets set actually.
Oh, okay.
Depending on trader to trader. See here also if you see that there is a big bearish engulfing has formed on the daily chart, right?
Mm-hmm.
So once it breaks this area, you can take a short position there for swing trades, maybe like 4 or 5 days or 1 week like that. You can do that.
Yeah. But how
Okay.
does it work? Because, like you see, if it when the market closes on the weekend, right?
Hmm.
Like say it was going down, it was okay, it was going up like this,
Hmm.
and then market closed, right?
Hmm.
And then usually on a Monday you'll find it like here.
Hmm.
Now, like what happens when there's all this remaining space?
This is a
Like what
gap, right?
happens then?
This is called gap trading. See, if that is a scenario, in that case, you may need to leave that trade. You don't have to take that trade because it's already gap up or sometimes it gap down also, right? So in that case you need to skip that trade. You should not take that trade, right? So gap means if there's a gap up, that means there is some smart money who has entered in this trade and they may not want to come down this price below this range.
Okay. But like you see, like say um you bought price, right? You bought here at this point here. You
Hmm.
bought here on Thursday. Then
Hmm.
this one is, I mean, this on Wednesday, this candle Thursday,
Hmm.
Friday, and
Hmm.
then it closes. Now you've left it open, right?
Hmm.
And by Monday it carries on. Now will it close position or your position will still reopen, but with high profit?
See, depends on you. If you have placed any price to book the profits, then that price may get triggered once the market opens on this day, right?
But the position will stop, but it will open again, right? On
No,
Monday.
no, no. See, let's say you purchase here at $5, okay, and you may have already set one trade that once it reaches to $11, it should book your profits, right? So we have
Yes.
so in some softwares we have some thing like you can place the orders to book the profits, right? Let's say you have placed the order to book profits at 11, right? Let's say the market on
Yes.
the Monday opens at around 11. Then this position will get executed and your profits will be booked. If this you have not set, then your position will be open.
Oh, okay. So I thought maybe if there's a gap, it
No,
closes.
no, 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 no,
No, it doesn't.
it
Okay.
doesn't.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this clear. Uh, you can
Yeah.
try to practice it maybe if you get time, and then if you have doubts, anything, then we can discuss in the next class. Right.
No problem. So the next class we said, uh,
When you want to do on Friday, right?
yes, on we said this week Friday, yeah, Friday 5 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Okay. So I think I'll confirm you tomorrow because uh, I think I have to go to my son's school. Maybe I'm not sure the timings, so that's why. Otherwise, it is 100% confirmed. But I will send you a confirmation by tomorrow.
Okay. Or in fact, actually, Friday I have a holiday. I'm not going. We don't have school on Friday, so I can do it even 8 a.m. my time, which will be
Okay.
8, so 9, 10, 11, around 11:30 for you.
Fine. I'll confirm you tomorrow, like what time we can do. So we can do during
Okay.
daytime also, now because if it is your holiday, then we can even do in the daytime, right?
Yeah, no problem. Even 8 a.m. for me,
Fine.
and then you're
Okay. 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 That's good. That I'll confirm you tomorrow the timings, right? Like, like
okay.
first half we can do. First half we can finish on Friday.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Just try to practice it and get your
Yeah,
doubt.
I'm gonna try and see today if I can take a trade or something.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
or or maybe try to do some kind of paper trade. If you cannot trade actual, you can try to do some kind of paper trading and see if you get any doubts.
Yeah. I can use a demo like here. I don't know if you can see it, but I created that box over there.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then there was that breakout. Like
Mm.
like you said, there's consolidation, then the
Ah,
breakout.
right.
But I missed it. Yeah.
See, practice is important actually. You see, learning is okay, but in trading practice, the more you practice, the more confidence you will get in trading. So that is how trading works.
Okay. Yes. And what about prop accounts? Do you know anything about it?
What?
Prop accounts, proprietary accounts.
Proprietary accounts,
P
we are not using here in India. Can you tell me like what type of accounts are they?
like FTMO, FTMO. I don't know if you know anything about it or what
F,
it is.
FT, MO,
MO.
FTMO proprietary firms, right?
Yes.
So they are basically kind of, you can say, that paper trading. Uh, Paper trading, or as you were telling about, kind of demo trading, right? So they provide a simulation tool. They will give you a simulation tool, and that you can put some virtual money, and you can practice like that. This is what I know about that, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So that we have, we call it in India as, like, you can say, the paper trading thing.
Okay.
So they
Paper
will give you
trading.
virtual money. They will give you virtual money, and that you can use it to do your trades.
Okay. Yeah. Like a demo.
Like a demo, or you can say that simulation also. You sometimes some people will call simulation trading like that.
Yeah. My broker also has it. So I was using it in the beginning
Uh, uh,
before I
See,
opened a real account.
but the best thing will be like to trade with actual money. Then only your trading psychology will get set, because now you know that it is your hard-earned money. You may be able to lose that money also in live trading. Whether you can use it with a
Yeah.
small capital, but I always say that try to use it in live trading only. At least you can use $5 or $2. Right? But
Okay. Yeah.
live, then only your trading psychology will get set.
Okay.
See, paper trading is a
Okay,
kind of
sir.
paper money only, right? You may be,
Yeah.
you may not be able to lose anything. You may not be able to earn anything, right? In that.
Yeah. Because it's very easy to execute on a fake account, a demo. But
Yes, yes,
real, you get
yes.
scared. So yeah,
Because
I'll try
real,
low 0.01.
uh, uh, because in real you will see the actual profits on the screen and even actual losses on the screen. Right?
Yeah.
So you need to develop that appetite.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
See you.